3 pointers complete: void pointer and bad pointer, null pointer and void pointer completed, dangling pointer and function pointer, far, near, use pointers. Discuss later. At the time of functions, dangling pointer and function pointer we discuss, right? Yeah. Now next topic we start, guys, that is arrays. Okay? Yeah. What is arrays? We'll start today, right? See. Right. Array is a collection of similar data type elements. Collection of similar data type of elements. Okay? Array is a collection of similar data type elements. Next. What is second point? Array is a reference data type. Yeah, next point. Array is a reference data type. Next one. Right. Array variable stores the address of the base address of the array elements. Array variable stores the base address of the array elements. Array index starts with 0 and ends with size -1. Okay. Now we discuss about single dimensional arrays, guys. Single dimensional arrays. We have single dimensional, multi-dimensional, right? Yeah, single dimensional we discuss. First one, syntax of single dimensional array. 1D arrays. Single dimensional arrays. Okay. Data type, array name and size. Data type, array name and size. Okay. For example, we discuss. See this. Int of 5. This is syntax, guys. Here we can write. First point. Write array size must be an unsigned integer which is greater than 0. Array size must be an unsigned integer which is greater than 0. Array size must be an unsigned integer which is greater than 0. Okay, what is unsigned integer range, guys? 0 to 65,535. This is 16-bit compiler, guys. 0 to 65,000. 2 power 16 minus 1. Okay, size of unsigned integer 2 power 16 minus 1. That is 65,535 minus 1. 0 to 65,535. Okay. 0 to 32 minus 1 also is there. 2 power 32 minus. That is a 32-bit compiler. Second point. Right. Array size must be an unsigned integer which is greater than 0. Second point. See, for example, how to declare. If I declare int of 5. Yeah, here size is what? 5, guys. Size of A. What is size of A? It creates 5 variables. 5 variables, 5 into size of int here. What is size of int? 2 bytes. 5 into size of integer. What is size of integer? 5 into 2 equals to 10 bytes. Okay. 5 into size of integer, 5 into 2, that is 10 bytes. Okay, na? It creates 5 variables. Creates 5 variables. They are, yeah, it creates 5 variables. They are a of 0, first element, a of 1, second element, a of 2, a of 3, and a of 4. A is a what? Base address cache. First element is what? A of 0 it is. A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, and A of 4. This is 1002, this is 1000, 1002, 1004, 1006, 1008. Okay, all values are garbage values. It creates 5 variables. They are A of 0, A of 1, garbage value. It is also garbage value, and it is also garbage value. Write this. All values are garbage values. All values are garbage values. Yeah, second point, guys. Write a second point. The diagram completed, right? Yeah, int a of 0 equals to, what is int a of 0? It's an error, guys. It's an error because unsigned integer which is greater than 0. What is the meaning of a of 0? If I write a of 0 with 0 elements, you are trying to create array. Okay. Is it possible or not? Can I create integer array with 0 elements? See, the 0 elements, we can't create array, guys. Now I am trying to create array with 0 elements. Compile once. If I compile, one error. Okay, what is the error? Array must have at least one element, guys. Array must have at least one element. It is showing, right? With 0 elements, we cannot create array. Next. Okay, with 0 elements, what is the array? Array must have at least one element. Array must have at least one element. That is second one. Right? Third one. Int of minus 3 elements. Can you write minus 3 elements? Is it possible or not? This is also error, guys. Okay, what is the error? This is also error. Same. A of minus 3 also not allowed. Can I write like this? A of minus 3. Compile. Array must have at least one element. This is also error. Clear? int of 2 plus 3. What is 2 plus 3? This is valid or error, guys. This is valid, guys, because number expressions are allowed. Okay, number expressions are allowed. Int of 2 plus 3. See this. No warnings, no errors. Are you following, guys? There is no warnings. There is no errors. Are you following? See this. This is allowed. But variable expressions we can't write, guys. For example, constant. Here we can't write a plus b, a minus b. Can't write. Variables are not allowed. First of all. Okay, I will tell you that rule also. 2 less than 3. What is 2 less than 3? Is it valid or not? 2 less than 3 is a 1, right? Int a of 1 it is. This is int a of 1 is valid. What is this? 2 plus 3, guys? 2 plus 3 means valid, that is 5. Int a of 5. This is valid, guys. This is 5. Clear? Yeah, sticker. Good. Now int a of 2 less than 3. 2 less than 3 is valid, guys. Again, because what is 2 less than 3? It is true. Then it is valid. Okay, sixth one. 2 greater than 3. Can I write int a of 2 greater than 3? What is 2 greater than 3, guys? If I write 2 greater than 3, that is what? Int a of 0. Again, right? 2 greater than 3 means that expression value is 2 greater than 3. False, right? 2 greater than 3. False. This is error. Okay? That is sixth one. Seventh one, guys. Can I write int a of 3 comma 4? This is comma operator. Can I use comma operator? Yes. Then what is the answer, guys? Int a of 4. Is valid or not? Yes, valid. This is seventh one. Eighth one. Eighth one. What is eighth one, guys? Int a of 3 comma 4, right? Now can I write int a of what we can write, guys? Int a of 3 comma 4. Now int a of n, is it valid or not? See, guys, expressions. Can we write expression n equals to 5 variable expressions, right? But see, guys, this it accepts in some compilers. Here it is actual C concept is error. Okay, variable expressions are not allowed. Variable expressions are not allowed in array declaration. Okay, see this int n equals to 5. Int a of n is valid, guys, in this declaration. Now I will show you. See once. Can I write int a of n? Right? What is this value? N equals to 5. If I write n equals to 5, compile. Now error, guys. What is the error? Now we can see the error. Constant expression required. Are you following, guys? Constant expression required. Okay, constant expression required. Variable expressions are not allowed, guys. Okay, but in some compilers it accepts, guys. Okay, see, I will show you in online compilers. Some online compilers, their variable expressions are not allowed. But I will show you. Now, can I declare here n equals to 5 and that declaration part? See, now I am showing int of n. What is n, guys? in 10 is 5. Compile. See this guys. It is not showing any errors. Clear? It is not showing any errors. Int n is 5, int a of n is a valid. But actual C concept is error. Int n equals to 5, int a of n is error. But in some compilers it accepts, right? Understood, right? What is the array, guys? Array means it's a static. Static means at compile time you should know. For example, can I read n is 5 values? See, now I am trying to read n values here. Scanf percentile d address of n. Guys, see what is n value? Did you give? We did not give in this program. Did you give n value? No. But what is array concept? Array is static. You know this point. Okay, from first year onwards you are studying this. Arrays are static. Arrays are static. Compile time you should know the size. Do you know the size of array? No, we don't know the size of array. But it's the concept is total wrong, right? The compiler are ignoring that rule. This is dynamic array now. It's a dynamic array. Runtime you are entering n. What is n? Runtime you are entering. See guys, if I run, now it is not showing any error. 5, if I enter 5, enter the 5, see it's working. Program finished with exit code of 0. Why it's showing exit code of 0 finished with exit code 0? Now return 0 means if I write return minus 1. If I return minus 1. What is return minus 1 guys? If I write return minus 1. See once run, then it shows failure, it shows not failure, this is with the program finished with exit code of 255. That is a wrong code guys, means that is not completely executed, right? The exit of 0 means successful execution, exit code. Okay, when I write a return 0 again I will tell you at the time of pointers what is return 0 and what is minus 1, right? Now I have written return 0. Run once. Here see, now I entered 5. Now exit code 0. Program finished with exit code of 0. Are you following the difference? Okay. But actual array concept is what? Difference, right? Normal array concept is different. This concept is different. In 10 is 5, variable expressions are not allowed. But in some compilers ignores, but some compilers are ignoring this error. Okay, some compilers it accept dynamic array concept, but it's not correct. We should not allow that array concept. Are you following the difference? We should not allow. Yeah, ninth one. Okay, constant expression. Here, what is the error it is showing? Constant expression. Can I write a constant array, guys? See, constant variable, constant expression. I will try to write constant expression. See, can I write constant expression? Can I see this? Constant expression means not constant variable. Now it is a constant variable. Constant int n is 5. Now compile again. Again error it is. What is the error? Constant expression required. Are you following? This is constant int n is 5. Constant int n is 5. Int a of n. Okay, error is what? This is error. Okay, variable expressions are not allowed. Nothing but a constant expression required. Variable expressions are not allowed. Constant expression. But its constant variable is different, constant expression is different. Clear? Next, 10th one, guys. What is 10th one? Macros are allowed or not? Macros. Now I want to write as defined. N is 5. Now N is what here? Normally macros we write constant. Now I am writing size is 5. Can I declare int of size? Yes. Now I am writing int of size, guys. Int of size. What is int of size, guys? This is valid. Okay. Int of size. What is the int of size? The constant expressions are valid. Macros are allowed in array declaration. Macros are allowed in array declaration. Clear? Macros are allowed in array declaration. Clear? But macros also. Macros are nothing but a constants. Macros are constant, guys. Macros are nothing but a five size means 5 only. We cannot modify. Size plus plus you can't write. Size equals to size plus 1 we can't write. They are constants. Okay? Yeah, right. Till 10th point. Do you have any doubts, guys? Check the till 10th point, guys. Till 10th point. These 10th points check once. If you have any doubts, ask me now. Once check these 10 points, guys. 10 points. Yeah. Any doubts in this 10 points? Yeah. Next two, guys. Next one. 11th point. Declarations. We are talking about declaration. What are the different types of declarations? See this. Can I write a int of 40,000? Is it valid or not? If I write int of 40,000, is it valid or not? Guys, tell me, is it valid? Yeah, Pravisha. Yeah, we check it, Shrikar. Yeah, if I write India 40,000. Yeah, very good, Pravisha. Good. Because see, it creates what? 40,000. Is it valid or error? We check it. It's see guys, 40,000. It creates 40,000 variables. 40,000 variables. Each variable requires 2 bytes. Okay. Each variable requires 2 bytes. 40,000 into 2. 80,000 bytes required. Okay. It creates 40,000 variable. Each variable requires 2 bytes. 40,000 into 2 bytes required. Right? Total. But stack size is, right? But stack size is how much? Stack size, right? Stack. I told you. This is stack, right? How many bytes created? For each one variable takes 2 bytes. Total how many variables? Another variable takes 2 bytes. Like that, two variables it creates. Okay, total 40,000 into 2. Yeah, 1 minute, guys. Yeah, 40,000 into 2, 80,000 bytes, guys. See, each variable require 2 bytes. This is 2 bytes, right? This is 2 bytes. Like that, total 2 bytes. Okay, now total 2 bytes, guys. See, are you following, guys? Total 2 bytes. Total how many bytes total? Total size by 2. Each variable requires 2 bytes, right? Now, what is the maximum size? 65,535. But stack size is 65,535. Now, array size, max size of array is int of 65,535 by 2. Now, what is the maximum size? Int of 32,767. Max size of array is int of 65,535 by 2. That is int of 32,767. Clear? If you give more than this size, it's an error. Once check it, guys. I want to check it this size. Int of, see, I will show you the array size. Int of 32,767. Now compile once. If I compile, see this. Zero errors, zero warnings. Zero errors, zero warnings. Are you following, guys? Next. Yeah, I think you understood this point. Character of 40,000. Can I declare 40,000? Is it valid or not? Yes, character occupies how many bytes, guys? Character occupies 1 byte, right? 40,000 bytes required. Now 40,000 bytes. It creates 40,000 variable. Each variable require 1 byte. 40,000 into 1 40,000 bytes required. Max size of character arrays. Max size of character arrays. See this. Carry of any name, guys. Carry of that is 40,000. Okay, na? Carry of 40,000. Max size of character array is, sorry, 65,535. Max size is 65,535. Max size is 65,535. Clear, guys? If it is a float, can I declare float? Yeah, guys. Float is how much? Float here of 40,000. Is it valid? No, guys. Float here of 40,000. Again, this is error because what is the max size? We can write, guys. This is error. What is the max size, guys? Right? This is valid is max size is float here of 65,535 by 4. Clear? Right? Next one, guys. Next one, guys. 14th one. Float of, can I declare four and a half elements, guys? 4.5. Is it valid? Four and a half elements can you create? No, guys. It's the error. We can't create four and a half elements also. This is also error. Okay, na? Float of 40,000. This is also valid. Sorry, float of 40,000 is error. Max is 65,000. Yeah, once check it 11 to 14, guys. 11 to 14. 11 to 14. Next. Now initializations of arrays we discuss. Initializations, guys. Yeah, first we write initializations, guys. 11 to 14. Once check it. Do you have any doubts? Remember, guys, this is we are talking about only 16-bit compiler. 16-bit compiler only, right? 11 to 14. On to 14th. You don't have any doubts. Next one, guys. We write initializations also. Yeah, array initializations. Write 12th one, guys. 12th one. We discuss one by one. First, write, guys. 12th one. Write 12th one. Sorry, this one. Till year 11th completed, right? 11th. 11 to 14. Next, 15th one. Array initialization. 16, 17, 18, right? 19, 20. Yeah, one by one, right, guys? First one. I will explain. 15th one. Int a of 3 equals to 10, 20, 30. Yeah. 15th one, guys. 15th one. Yeah. Tell me, 15th one is valid or not? One by one, right? 15th one is valid or not? 15th one. Valid, huh? Int a of 3. 15th one is valid, guys. No doubt in this. 15th one. The size is how much? 3 elements. Int a of 3. 10, 20, 30. Valid. Next one. 16th one, guys. Right? 16th one. I will show you in the compiler also. 16th one. 16th one. Is it valid? 16th one is error because size is 3, but we initialize more than 3 elements. Are you following, guys? Size is 3, guys, but you initialize more than 3 elements. 10, 20, 30, 40. 4 elements you have written. At compile time, it checks the upper boundary, right? At compile time, it checks the upper boundary, right? This is error, guys. Okay, now? At compile time, it checks the upper boundary. Int a of 3 equals to error, it is. Next, 17th one, guys. Write a 17th one. Is it valid or not? Guys, 17th one. 17th one. Tell me 17th one. Error, right? Because of the square brackets. It's error. Only flower brackets are valid. 18th one, guys. Right? 18th one. Yeah, 18th one. Int of 5 equals to 10. In initialization, when we are not passing sufficient elements, what is mean by sufficient, right? Sariponanni, right? If you are not passing sufficient elements to the array, 5 we declared, but we are passing only one element, right? Then it initializes rest of elements to 0. Okay, first element, 18th one, guys. See this? First element is 10, remaining rest of elements are zeros. First element is 10, rest of elements is 0, guys. This is 0, this is 0, and this is 0, and this is 0. Rest of elements to 0. Ten, 0, 0, 0, 0. 19th one. 19th one also, guys. Only we initialize character, but if it's a character array, what happens? If it is a character array, rest of elements it initializes to /0. First A, this is A, guys. Now next element is /0. This is also /0. This is also /0. This is also /0. Next, remaining, guys. 20th one, right? 20th one. 19th is valid or not? Valid, right? 20th one. 21st one, right? 22nd one. 23rd one. Remaining also. Twentieth one. Character array of 5 equals to ABCDE. Is it valid or not, guys? 20th one. Error, right? Because variables are not allowed. Error it is. Next, 21st one. Twenty-first one. Valid, right? Yeah. 22nd one, guys. 22nd one, it's also valid guys. 65, 67, 68, 60, these are valid. What is this value guys? A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D. The 65, 66, 67, these are ASCII values. A, B, C, D, E. 23rd one. 23rd one. Valid guys. We can use 0 to characters. 0, 1, 2, 3 characters we can use. 24th one. Write this 24th, 25th and 26th. We check it guys one by one. Yeah. One check it. Do you have any doubts? 23rd one, 0 to 9 characters we can use, guys. But 10 is not a character, 11 is not a character, 12 is not a character. We can't write 10 in single colons. They're not characters. 25th one. Okay, 25th one. Character of 5 equals to ABCD. Valid it is. String. 26th one is ABCD. Valid, but garbage value will get, guys. Okay. Character of 5. Valid, but garbage value will get. In 25th one, what is Abdul? In 25th one, what is A of 1? B character. A of 0 is A of 1 is B, A of 2 is C, A of 3 is D. Okay? When we are writing upper boundary, you have to check, guys. When we are writing string, A of 0, A of 1, see, pi character. When it is string, we can't initialize with 0. Here, one point you can add. In string initialization, we need to give space for null character. In string, we need to give one space for null character. You need to give one space for, you need to give space for null character. Otherwise, you get garbage value. Okay, in string, we need to give the space for, null character. In string, we need to give the space for null character. 27th one is error again, guys. Next, guys, see here. This one, 25th, 26th. For example, if I take character A of 5, what is character A of 5, guys? See this. Now I am declaring character A of 5 equals to A, B, C, D. Is it valid? A, B, C, D is valid, guys. We can't write more than 4 characters because uh, at end in string we need to give a space for null character. Printf of I am trying to print see this percentile as A. Now what is ABCD? Can I give 5 characters? If I give size is 5, if I give 5 characters, run, guys. If I run, see this garbage value you are getting ABCD and garbage value. That's why we need to give a space for 4 characters is enough. Okay, we have to initialize n minus 1 size minus 1 characters in the string. Size minus 1 characters. And next one, I will show you this. These are valid or not, right? A of 5 is A. Remaining characters are with this is valid only. A, B, C, D. 20th one. See once. Character array. A, B, C, D, E. See this. Illegal initialization because they are variables. Can I declare as characters? Yes. Here you can you write 5 characters, guys? Okay. No problem. No need to give space for null character. See this? You declared but you did not use it. That's it. Okay. Are you following us? It's valid. 65, 67, 68, 69. What are these values, guys? Capital A, B, C, D. ASCII values it considers. ASCII values it considers. Then it considers A, B, C, D gives, guys. Character A of 5 equals to 0, 1, 2, 3. Valid it is. Okay, now? 0 to 9 are characters. We can use characters. But 10, 11, 12, 13, they are not characters. They are not characters, guys. 25th, 26th, 27th. We discussed, right? Yeah, these are completed already. Yeah, one check it, guys. Do you have any doubts from 1 to 27? One check it. Yeah, guys, any doubts? Yeah, okay. Now, how to access array elements? We discussed this program. How to access array elements, right? Right, guys. We can access array elements two ways. One is using array index. Second one is using address. Using index and using address. Okay, guys. Address means reference, guys. Two ways we can access array elements two ways, using array index and using address. I will show you the program. See this, guys. Now can I declare int of 3? Now I am taking, guys, int of 3 equals to how to access the elements 10, 20, 30. Three elements I have taken. Print what is a, guys? If I print a percentile, pointer also I will take. I will consider as pointer with respect to star p. Okay. What is p, guys? Now p equals to address of a. P equals to a or p equals to address of a. P equals to a plus 0 or p equals to address of a of 0. We can write different ways. Now what happens? I will show you the diagram. See this. Now array element stored like this: first element, second element, and third element, right? Some address 1000, 1002, 1004, 1002, 1004. Now what is A? A will be here. First element is how much? 10, 20, 30. This is A of 0, A of 1 and A of 2. P also what? What is P also? P is also pointing same address. What is P? A is how much? 1000. What is P? P also 1000. Now A, P are both are same guys, but different locations. That is 1000. What is what is A? What is P? P also 1000, A also 1000. Both are storing 1000 only. Okay. Now with respect to A we can access, with respect to P also we can access. Now I am trying to print a address of those elements. How to print address? See guys. Now A and P value, can I print A and P value? Percent value and percent value. I am printing A comma P values, A and P. Now once check it, A is P are same values, 65,522, 522. I have written 1000. If you want to change it, change it. 22, 24, 26. Okay, now I want to print the addresses also, we can print it, right? See once. Printf. Now I want to print percentile, star A. See this, star A, star P. What is the difference? A is address, star A is a value. P is address, star P is a value. First element we'll get, right? Now we are getting the value. That is 10 star P. Is pointing same, bro. Oh, it's showing wrong. But answer is star A is first element. Star P also first element has to print because P and A are both are pointing same location. P is pointing equals to address of P or A. Sorry. I have declared it's a character. Sorry, this is int pointer, right? Integer array. I run this. Now see this 10 and 10. Now I want addresses of this element. See, 1000, 1000 to 1004. I want all addresses, guys. If you want all addresses, how to print it? See, now I want to print addresses. Printf of I want to print address percentile u, and percentile u. I want first element address a plus 0, a plus 1 comma a plus 2. First element address, see this 20, 22, 24. A plus 0. A plus 0 means first element address. This is a plus 0, a plus 1, a plus 2. Okay, they are the difference, guys. Yeah, if you want address of first element, address of a of 0. What is the address of a of 0? A plus 0 we can write it. If you want elements, what we can write, guys? A of 0 equals to star of a plus 0. What is star of a plus 0? A plus 0 is the address, star of a plus 0 is the value. Clear? If you want second element address, how to write? Address of a of 1, you can write a plus 1. A of 1, second element if you want, a of 1 equals to star of a plus 1. Third element if you want, address of a of 2, a plus 2 you can write. A of 2 equals to, now we can write star of a plus 2. Okay. If you want addresses, we can write like this. Now with the index, how to access, guys? Now I am trying to access with index. Printf of with access. How to print? Percentile, percentile. A of 0, A of 1 and A of 2. A of 0, A of 1 and A of 2. That elements 10, 20, 30. Now we can write star A plus 0, star A plus 1 and star A plus 2 also we can write. Right? Same with respect to A, guys. This is with respect to A. Now can I use with respect to P? Yes, we can write with P. P is also pointer, right? While accessing with P, printf of slash and percentile u of percentile. If you want addresses, percentile u you can use. How to write? A plus, same a plus 0 like p plus 0, p plus 1 and p plus 2. Same addresses it is printing with respect to p. Okay. Yeah, then how to access guys? Printf of you are accessing the elements. How to access the elements? Percentile, percentile. Okay. How to access p of 0? Can I access p of 0? Yes. 0 of p. See guys. A of 0 also you can write. A of 1 also you can write. A of 2. See this. We can write 1 of a also guys. This is also correct. 1 of a. Can I write 1 of a? Yes. Star 2 plus. See a plus 2. Star of a plus 2. Can you write star of a plus 2? Yes. Or 2 plus a also valid guys. A of 0, 1 of a, or star a plus 2. Okay, if you want to only one element, see 0 of a. How to access? 0 of a or a of 0. Okay, star a plus 0. Can I write star a plus 0? Yes. 0 plus a also valid guys. If you want to write star a plus 0 or 0 plus a. Both are valid. Now I will show you percentile star a plus 0 comma star of 0 plus a. Now I want to write 0 plus a also. Now I am writing star 0 plus a also. Yeah, below statements. Now we are going to print these values. How to print percentile p plus 0, 0 plus p. You can write guys. Elements how to access guys. P of 0 comma p of 1 and p of 2. P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2. We are accessing those elements guys. How to access? See this. 10, 20, 30. We can access the elements. This is addresses and elements. Same star P of 0. That is everything. How you access with the A, we can access with the P also. What is the main difference? P plus plus guys. What is P plus plus? Where is P? P is here guys. Where is P? P is here. 1000. If I say P plus plus next address, it goes to next address. P plus plus next address. But P plus plus is valid guys. P plus plus is valid. Why it is valid? This is address guys. It goes to the next address. What is the main difference? See guys, a plus plus is error guys. A plus plus is error. Okay. Are you following guys? A plus plus is error. Here difference is a plus plus and p plus plus. Are you following guys? It's a constant pointer. A is a constant pointer. Why it is error? Constant pointer. Constant pointer means it points to one location. We cannot change the location. We can't change the location. Are you following? This what about p plus plus? P is a variable pointer. P is a variable pointer. We can change. We can change the location. We can change the location, right? P plus plus and a plus plus difference you need to understand. P plus plus is error. Sorry, P plus plus is valid. A plus plus is a error. P is a variable pointer. We can change the location. Clear? Just write this and draw the diagram also, guys. Okay. Write this and draw the diagram. This diagram. How to write a addresses and this. This is a of 0. We can mention this is right. A of 0 or 0 of a. Both are same. A of 0, 0 of a of 1 and a of 2. Right. This is a of 2. First write this guys. And diagram also. Draw the diagram. Yeah, guys, completed. Huh? Draw the diagram also. Draw the diagram. That's all today. In next session, we discuss different programs in arrays, guys. Finish, and if you have any doubts, ask. Okay. In the next session, we will continue. Finish, guys. The diagram. If you have any doubts, we can ask. Clear? That's all, guys. Next session will continue. Thank you. You can ask if you have doubts.